to ask another question now. Now that we have ended the training on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel the training was? Anish, Bhavya, Vasanji.
9, madam.
Oh, 9. Very good.
Mhm.
Bhavya, Anish.
Okay.
So, for the entire session, rather than connecting each and every topic to my professional life, I could connect back to my personal life as well. So, I understand the importance of mental well being, psychosocial safety. So, this subject will be carried throughout my life.
So glad. Oh, you have to give me one number also. See, numbers are very important. That is why the measure is important. What is the number?
My number is 9 because since it's an online session, we'll
I
have to
get
sit
that.
continuously for long hours.
I get that. Asha, you listen, it's an online session. That is why the number rating is 1. Yeah. Anish, yes, please.
So,
Even I
9, ma'am,
see
not
the
1.
I know. Oh, I get that. Sorry. Yes, Anish.
yeah, even I also eat 9. And it was
Okay.
a it was a good learning actually. Like a new subject for me, the psychological safety. So it is like I can realize some of the things we can doing wrong and where I have to improve. It was a nice session, I can say that.
I'm so
Thank you
glad.
so much.
I'm so glad.
Can you that LinkedIn ID? Can you just share?
Yeah, yeah, sure, definitely. Happy to.
Hello. Hmm.
Yes, please.
Huh? Shardo.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah, you are audible. Uh, Nupur ma'am,
Yeah.
Nupur, I am one of the staffs in Asha's office. My name
Okay.
is Ma'am. Ma'am, while Asha was attending the training, we were all listening.
Okay.
Me, Asha, and there's a lady, Monica, the young ladies. I have been a corporate trainer earlier. First and foremost, I'd love to congratulate you on an amazing session. I got a lot to learn, and I really thank you for your amazing sensitivity and how you have been through the finer points. You could express them well, and we could relate to them, especially the ones when you mentioned the subtle psychological harassment part. So that subtle psychological harassment part, how one feels an outcast from the group, and how
Absolutely.
demotivating and breaking into the spirit that can be. I was so grateful you mentioned all of it and how you expressed it. I'm extremely grateful, ma'am. We all attended the session, and I would like to really thank you from the bottom of my heart.
I'm
I
so
have
glad it was helpful. I'm so glad. Definitely, Monica. Thank you so much for attending this and sharing this feedback. It means a lot. It means a lot. It is really helpful. Thank you so much. And
Thank
I'm
you.
really helpful that it is glad that it was able to make that difference. Psychological safety is that subject where it is very personal, like you say. And being in the emotional intelligence realm, I know how important it is to feel safe. So safety is very personal, and we have to acknowledge that. So thank you once again.